Stop polishing your prompts. In 2026, if you're still copy pasting text into a chat box to get things done, you're already behind. The era of chatbot, where the AI waits for you to tell it what to do, is officially over. We have entered the age of agentic AI. This isn't just about a smarter model, it's about a fundamental shift from AI that talks to AI that acts. Today, we are breaking down the move from LLMs to autonomous agents, the tools like LangGraph and CrewAI that are making it happen, and why our next hire might actually be a line of code. Let's be honest, chatting with an AI is a high friction process. You prompt, you get a result, you find a bug, you prompt again. You are the project manager, the debugger, and the glue holding the workflow together. This is reactive AI. But agentic AI is proactive. The breakthrough in 2026 isn't just a smarter model, it's a react loop, reasoning plus acting. When you give an agent a go like migrate this repo from JavaScript to TypeScript, it doesn't just spit out the code, it executes a 4 step cycle. Reasoning. The model thinks, I need to scan the folder structure, identify dependencies, and create a tsconfig.json. Acting. It doesn't just talk, it calls a tool. It actually uses the file system API to read your files. Observation. It looks at what it just did. Did the TypeScript compiler throw an error? Refinement. If it failed, it doesn't wait for you to explain. It analyzes the error and restarts the loop until the task is done, not just responded to. In 2026, the strategy has shifted from prompt engineering, trying to find out the magic words, to flow engineering, designing the loop that allows the AI to self correct. So, what does the 2026 agentic tech stack actually looks like? If you're building today, you aren't just calling OpenAPI.chat.completions. You are using 3 distinct layers: the connectivity layer, MCP, Model Context Protocol. This is the biggest global standard of the year. MCP allows your agent to securely plug into any tool, whether it's your local SQLite database, your GitHub Enterprise server, or your Google Calendar. MCP provides a unified language. You no longer write custom connectors. You just provide the MCP server URL and agent knows how to use it. The orchestration layer, LangGraph and CrewAI. Linear chains are dead. We are now using state graphs. LangGraph is the king of control. It treats your AI workflow like a flowchart. If the critic agent says the code is bad, the graph loops the coder agent back to the start. CrewAI is more multi-agent system. You assign personas. You have one agent acting as a product manager, defining the specs, and another as the developer, executing them. They communicate via shared bus. The memory layer, persistence, state. In 2026, we have moved past simple RAG, retrieval augmented generation. We now use graph based memory. Instead of just searching for relevant documents, agents store entities and relationships in a knowledge graph. This means if you told your agent a preference 6 months ago, it doesn't just remember the text, it understands the context of how that preference affects its current task. If you're a developer, your job has evolved. You're no longer a coder, you are a system architect for digital workers. This isn't just theoretical. Look at how global companies are using this right now. Self healing code. We are seeing agents that monitor production logs. If a bug appears, the agent writes the fix, runs the test, and submits a PR before the human dev even wakes up. Agentic research. Tools like Multion or OpenAPI Operator can actually use a browser. They can book your travel, buy supplies, and handle checkout flows, saving hours of clicking. Small AI on the edge. We are seeing these agents run locally on NPUs. Your phone is becoming an agent hub that manages your digital life without sending a single byte to the cloud. The takeaway for you: stop learning how to write better prompts for a chatbot. Start learning how to architect systems. Learn tool use. Understand how to define functions that an LLM can call. Master orchestrations. Get comfortable with frameworks like LangGraph. Focus on evals. Since agents are autonomous, you need automated evals to make sure they aren't going rogue. The future isn't about the model with the must parameters, it's about the agent with best tools. If you're building for 2026, don't build a chat box, build a worker. I've linked a starter template for a multi agent crew in the description. Go build something that acts, not just talks. Don't forget to subscribe for more Dev Alpha. Thanks for watching.